It didn't always look like this. It was cluttered with no space. Stuff tumbled down and we couldn't use the mirror. Now we dress up together. Savor these moments with Closet Factory. We specialize in all types of closet organization to increase usable storage. We can transform your office, entertainment center, laundry room, garage, and more. Make your home unique with custom pantries, wine storages, and guest rooms with wall beds. Design on location, gather measurements, and get a quote, all in the same day. See your custom design come to life right before your eyes. To experience how we transform your closet, niche, garage, or room into your dream space, we invite you to sign up or call us for an appointment. Closet Factory. Experience the art of organization where every memory has a home.